This is Read to Me Student Edition. Congratulations on downloading the app. This app will help you with after school chapter revision. It is very important for all students to use Read to Me Student Edition after school. Once you have downloaded and signed up on Read to Me Student Edition, you will see this page. This is your student dashboard. On this page, you can update your board. You can also update your grade here. Next, you will see this card which says Read Your School Textbooks. When you click on this, a new page will open up. You will have to wait for some time while Read to Me is being installed. Once it has been installed, the textbooks for your board and grade will show up automatically. You will now be able to download your textbooks. You can use this filter and select your grade, your board, and subject here. Then click on Apply. You will now have to select the chapters you would like to download. Click on Download. You can see it is written Downloaded completely. After that, you will see this page, Read to Me. There are multiple tools here that you can use to read your chapters. Click on the play button to start reading along with the voice.
1.1 Songs of Happiness. Sing. Your Way Home. Sing.
You can use other tools as well. Click on the Translate Word button to translate words in your regional language. You can also try the Picture Dictionary, Pronounce Word,
Home.
English Dictionary, and Spell Word.
H-O-M-E. Home.
Let us now go back to your dashboard. The next card is for live English classes. If there are live English classes available for your board, you will be able to see the classes. You can book these 1-hour classes to revise your school textbooks and prepare better for your exams. If live English classes do not show up for your board, you will have to wait for some time. Once the live English classes are available for your board, you will be able to book these classes. Let us go back to the dashboard now. You will see supplementary content here, which you can view anytime you want. There are many videos and images from which you can learn. You can learn grammar here. You can practice speaking. You can learn new words and phrases, and so on. This is your progress bar. When you click on this button, you will be able to see your progress on Read to Me Student Edition. Next, you can click on My Account. From here, you can update your profile. If you have any problems related to Read to Me Student Edition, please click on Help and you can send us your problems. We will then help you solve those problems. Please remember, Read to Me Student Edition is very important for students for after school chapter revision and to prepare better for exams.